be listening to some music. Why is it not working? Is it not plugged in? Oh, there you go. Oh my God. Oh, it's in the back of it. So I got this, it's called a Gearlick F1. There you go. No, I got music. It's pretty loud. I just got sick of riding without music in my ears. With this one, I get some music, boy. Dude, I got music in my ears. Hell yeah. For $30 freaking dollars. Dollars. Yeah, I wasn't gonna buy the freaking Ricardo. Like $200 for that? Like $150, $200? Nah, $30 for some music. This is so weird to have music in my ears. I'm so used to like listening to my freaking self. So used to listening to nothing but my thoughts. But now my thoughts are drowned. Nice weather today, no rain. What are you looking at? That lady's like a rat dog at me. Do I owe you money, lady? This looks pretty cool, isn't it? Like that cheap Cardo with some music. I'm gonna have to turn up that volume a little bit because even though the e-bike is quiet, oh, the engine whine is drowning it. Tree. Put the volume up a little bit, just there we go. Not too loud that I won't be able to hear traffic. Are we going off-roading before work? Oh yeah, we're doing that. We're off-roading, baby! Yes! Yes! Branches. Bitch. E40. Ooh. Jesus Christ, ass what? Shake 'em. I'm still trying to get used to this freaking music in my ears, dude. It makes me want to do hooligan shit. Is that weird? Like, if I didn't have music in my ears, I'm more like calm and all that. But with music in my ears, I'm like, I want to fucking do hooligan shit. Let's go, E40, bitch. You know? Is it just me? I just want to get hyphy, man. Yep. Budding. Is that an e-bike? Sick rides, dude. Yeah. We're smoking weed. Weed break. Man, music does. It changes my personality, dude. I don't even know. Does it make me feel more outgoing? I don't know. What is wrong with me today? Is it because of the sun? Is it the Del Taco last night? I have no freaking clue. Normally I act like this if I had like sugar, but I haven't had sugar in a while. Woo. Yes. Factory charge. I haven't charged it yet, so maybe it'll last a day or two. I'll be surprised if it lasts 2 days. Today's my Friday, and I'm off tomorrow. I'll use it again without charging. I did do a review on it and unboxing, but it was too long, and I don't have a laptop to. Douche! I don't have a laptop to edit the videos, and my phone, I can't do it. It takes too long to render the footage. So, yeah. That's why I only edit on my phone, because I'm lazy and I don't have a PC or a laptop. Then, are we getting all the red lights? Jesus Christ. Yeah. I don't know if they were asking me to do a wheelie. I don't know how to do a wheelie. I don't do wheelies. I do groundies. Groundies is when 2 wheels stay on the ground. Groundie. That's so dumb. Think I'm psycho, don't you, mama? Stella, what time are you leaving? Almost? Nah, it's okay. No, until 5, 5. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Nah, I won't eat till later. Okay, let me get a burrito. Huh? No, I'm still early. Yeah. Burrito with everything, yeah. Let me pay the lady. The guacamole in there? Ooh, look at you, eating healthy. So let me